Indiana advances. Coach, how would you assess this first performance in the NCAA tournament?
We got better in the game. It's hard to win this time of year. It's hard to win any time of year. And our guys got better inside of the game. We shot a fantastic percentage because we moved the ball at a really good rate. We defended better inside of the game. The ball moved, and we stayed true to it. And got a lot of contributions from a lot of different people.
What was the difference from the first half to the second half where you were able to really open it up?
Oh, I think better defensively. I think that, our ball screen coverages, they're really good in the ball screen, so we had to do a lot of, and we've got different guys that we've got to play differently in the ball screens, or that they have to play differently, I should say. So to me, it's just really a matter of just understanding the game. And when you got a lot of guys that can guard multiple positions and play multiple ways, it makes it better in the game. And they're smart and they're flexible. And you've got to be able to do that. It's a game of adjustments. If you wait till the timeout or if you wait till halftime, you may go home with a loss. I mean, you've got to be able to do it on the fly, and our guys have done a really good job of that.
Defensively, and especially, how were you able to have so much success rebounding?
Well, we were aggressive. We've rebounded this year, and we were aggressive, and we knew we were going to have to really rebound for them, or rebound against them this year in this game. So we're excited about it.
For a team that's been a little banged up, how good was it to have Robert Johnson back?
It was good. It was great to have him out there. He did an excellent job. And looking forward to getting him healthy so he can help us even more on Saturday.
And just the last one, what was your impression of OG's 360 dunk?
That was impressive. I must miss some of those in practice because I don't see a lot of the 360s the guys were talking about in there. I see some dunks, but for a guy we're on to dunk it more in practice, he certainly did a great job with it today.
Well, congratulations on the win. We'll send it back to the studio in Chicago.